Here is the various reports. This is the heart of the system where you can monitor and see the various reports that will help you decide the direction of your business. So advertiser wise summary. So each advertiser, how many clicks you have received, how many conversion you have, CTR, okay, or order amount tracked. All these things are available: pending, payable, paid. Okay, various status wise earning is there, decline, total commission. This is by the storefronts. Okay, this is by publishers, and this is by the ad spaces. When you integrate any advertiser or new merchant, they may want to verify whether the tracking is working fine. So for that, we have a separate flow for testing. So with all those test clicks will be shown here. All the test conversion will also be shown here, and all the events fired for the testing will also be shown here. So the actual reporting is not disturbed, and those are not mixed with the reporting, and this doesn't dilute. So these are all exclusively during the testing only. Once they go live, it will be referring to different clicks. This is where you can manage your agency profile settings. Okay, during sign up to advertisers, you can have your terms and conditions. Whereas category master can be defined here that advertisers will select during onboarding. Here is the contact form that you can if at all somebody submitted the contact form, you can see it here. You can add more agency users from your team, and various activity logs are also there. There is a webhook also. So this is basically nothing but kind of a post back, and you can define the post back also. Okay. So this is the agency panel related functionality. There is a profile here. You can manage the profile, and we will add some of the hints also later, so that this. If you want to understand certain things, you can manage it. Okay, for example, if you are on clicks and you want to know what is this page doing, then this will help you manage all those things. So this is the brief tour about affiliate tracking platform that we have done in the agency panel. The next part I will now cover about advertiser panel. So this is the advertiser panel. In advertiser panel, one difference is that there are multiple ad spaces. Okay, so like I said, Amazon.com would have one account. Amazon would have one account, and in which there may be Amazon.in, Amazon.com.de. So those will reflect here on the right top corner as ad spaces. So at a time, it will show report and data specific to each ad spaces. So currently, I'm referring to EnactSoft, and it shows me all the clicks specific to that particular outlet, conversion, average CTR, order amount, commission amount, and order to commission percentage also showed here. Okay, and this data is also shown in graphical representation. I can see all the clicks that I have received on my platform. So I made just one click, and it is showing me with this sub ID as well, as you can see here. All the conversions, if somebody places an order, it will also be reflecting here. All the events fired during the tracking will also be reflecting here. Okay, let's place a test order. And see how the overall flow works. See, now order is received. Now if we go back in the event, one event is inserted, April 25. Okay, 70, commission amount is 00. It will be computed in some time. And see, processing is still showing pending. So we have background processes, because imagine if you are working with, let's say, hundreds of brands, and they are getting orders on every hundreds of orders every second. So we have background process. As soon as it gets this slot, it process it, and it will start showing up under the conversion also. It takes some time. So we'll come back and see that. Same in Advertiser panel also, they can see all the reports by ad spaces, all the ad spaces that they are owner of. They can see, the uh, storefront and ad space wise reports. What is the clicks that they have got and what is the conversion and all. Same storefront wise summary they can see, and all the invoices that are created for this particular advertiser will also be shown here. Then this is the storefront. So like I said, uh, these are the storefronts that they can that they that are available to promote. Okay, so if Amazon is now launching new storefront, they can create a new storefront here. Once they create it, it will be sent for approval, and once approved, it will be ready for the promotion. Until then, it will be in the testing phase only. Okay, and we can see that what kind of configuration is available. So this is the test URL. See, this is the test click, and in live, this will not be there. Okay. Um, these are the details, categories on the landing page, and this is the postback key. So we generate unique postback key for every advertiser. And only if this postback key matches, it will accept the postback, else it will reject it. This will enhance the security of tracking. They can also have their own UTM medium and UTM campaign defined for every storefront level. So if they want to have any specific tracking for each of the advertisers, each of the tracking platform, they can do that. Imagine Amazon is working with Admitart, Commission Junction, Rakuten. Then they can define various UTM medium for your tracking platform so that they know that this particular conversion is via your tracking platform. This is the integration docs for them. If they want to work with, uh, they have development team, they can refer this documentation, copy paste this code, and manage it. If they are using WordPress, we have another guide which will share with you, and you can directly integrate on WordPress also. Just like agency panel, the test clicks will show up here. Test conversion will also show up here. All the events will show up here. The profile details, they can manage it from here. And if they want to reach out to agency for some purpose, they can submit the contact form, and that's how they can reach out to them. Also, if they log out, so let me show you the advertising onboarding flow. So somebody is interested in working with your tracking platform. So there's the onboarding flow. They have to first submit their company details, business details, and all. Then they have to create an account, and lastly they have to submit their website detail which they want to promote. So storefront details basically. So this is how sign up flow works. So not and so this will ensure that only serious companies are signing up with you, and you also have all the information before somebody signs up. And once anyone signs up, it will reflect in your advertisers, and only after you approve it they'll be able to start promotion. If you do not approve it, then they will not be able to start promotion with your platform. Okay, so this is the high level flow of how affiliate tracking platform developed by Enacton works. Feel free to reach out to us if you have any more question, and we'll be pleased to answer. Thank you very much.